We continue covering Colorado First at 5 tonight for you. A young mom is preparing to undergo brain surgery.
She's hoping this will pinpoint where her seizures began and if it's possible to eliminate them. Health specialist Kathy Walsh is here, and this woman has epilepsy.
That's right, and she's really trying to fight it. Her seizures can be debilitating. She's taking this step for herself and for her family.
Can you draw me a pterodactyl?
Rowan is 4 and wild about dinosaurs.
Nice job, dude.
And despite his young age, his mom says Rowan is very aware.
He knows that there's something wrong with me.
Shayna Burley has epilepsy. She started having seizures 7 years ago, on Mother's Day 2018.
I just kept having seizures back to back to back. And they ended up putting me into an induced coma.
Shayna takes medications. She's had test after test. She's preparing for a new one she hopes will lead to relief.
We hope to pinpoint within just a few millimeters where exactly the seizures are starting.
Dr. Matthew Meon, a neurosurgeon at Swedish Medical Center, will perform a stereotactic EEG. He will use 3D software based on Shayna's brain MRI to plan where to place electrodes.
I'm focusing on any abnormalities that might be a cause for her seizures.
Then, using a robot to guide him, he will drill tiny openings in the skull and place the electrodes directly into her brain.
We plan to do about 10 or 12 of those.
He will then monitor Shayna's seizures in the hospital.
It's going to be really kind of scary.
But if they can find the spot and eventually remove it, Dr. Meon says patients often improve.
Something like a 70% chance of being completely free of seizures.
That's ultimately what we want, is to be seizure-free.
For Shayna, her husband Mike, and Rowan.
No child should have to be worried about their mom like that.
Now, this approach is an alternative to opening the skull to get to the brain. The surgery is considered less invasive and can reduce operating time. Of course, there are risks associated with any surgery, but Shayna hopes this is a way to a cure.
Yeah, we sure do. And Rowan, what a cute little boy. Oh, my
he's so
goodness.
smart, very smart. He knows every dinosaur known to man.
Yeah, he's impressive. They all are. Thank you, Kathy.